Jai Hind friend, the most powerful, educated and diplomatic youth leader of India, the leader of India's oldest party, Congress party, that is Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi, who always in trend because of his statement. Some people saw him as a great political leader, or in other side, the media, and some people criticize him because of his some statement like this.
इस साइड से आलू डालो, उस साइड से सोना निकालो, इतना पैसा बनेगा आपको पता नहीं होगा क्या करना है पैसे का.
Rahul Gandhi, who born on 90 June 1970 in New Delhi, he was surrounded by a political environment. He was the first child of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi and Sonia. He grew up in a household deeply immersed in politics with his grandmother Indira Gandhi, who was serving as the Prime Minister of India at the time of his birth. Rahul Gandhi get his primary education from the Sant Columba School, New Delhi, and later he joined a Doon school in Dehradun. He completed his higher education abroad, studying at Rawlings College, Florida in USA, and later on he pursued his MPhil degree, means Master of Psychology degree in Cambridge. These are the qualifications of Rahul Gandhi. Beside it, Rahul Gandhi is a good scuba driver or a swimmer. He can stay in a water for a few seconds without taking oxygen. But before that, Rahul Gandhi had not so much talk about it. During the Bharat Jodo Yatra, the people know about it. Then the Rahul Gandhi told that when he was in Florida, so for just entertainment purpose, he was doing practice of this. Now let's talk about how Rahul Gandhi entered in Indian politics. Rahul Gandhi childhood was marked as a tragedy. In 1984, when he was just 14 years old, his grandmother Indira Gandhi was assassinated. This event profoundly affected him and his family. In 1991, the tragedy struck again when Rahul Gandhi's father Rajiv Gandhi assassinated during the campaigning for re-election. This losses deeply affect Rahul Gandhi. He was 21 years old at that time. So because of this kind of incident, Rahul Gandhi emerged as a resilient, determined leader and ready to carry forward his family legacy while charting his own path in the Indian politics. He was officially entered in a political arena in 2024 when he contested and won an election from Amethi constituency in Uttar Pradesh. Since then, he was a prominent member of Indian National Congress. Beside it, controversy and criticism, Rahul Gandhi has held various positions within the party. He served as a General Secretary of All Indian National Congress Committee and later on he served as a Vice President of the party. During his tenure, he focused on women rights, youth empowerment and rural development. He has led the party campaign in Lok Sabha election 2019 and played a very important role. Unfortunately, the result was not in the favor of Congress. And if we talk about current situation, so Rahul Gandhi emerged as a good political leader. You can imagine by their revolutionary Bharat Jodo Yatra. Can you imagine that Rahul Gandhi, who belongs from the Prime Minister family background, he walked from Kanyakumari at the southern tip of India to the Union Territory Jammu and Kashmir, a journey of 4,018 kilometers in 150 days. He has covered almost the 15 states of India and his mission to reach the every state of India. The most important thing is that during this yatra, the Rahul Gandhi met with different kinds of professional people. Either it's a student, woman, worker, man, and large number of people join this yatra. That is another thing that the Godi media, which I used to say, that is Modi media, they did not so much focus here. Because they are busy to prove the Modi as a great leader, is busy to prove that unemployment in India because the youth of India has no any kinds of a skill to get a job.
बेरोजगारी का कारण सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि सरकार लोगों को रोजगार उपलब्ध नहीं करा पा रही, बल्कि इसका कारण ये है कि हमारे देश में नौकरियां तो बहुत है, लेकिन बहुत सारे युवा इन नौकरियों के योग्य नहीं है और काबिल नहीं है.
And someone is busy to cover a story of Lappu Sachin and Seema.
आज तक डिजिटल ब्रेकिंग, सीमा हैदर और सचिन को मिला नौकरी का ऑफर. एक कारोबारी 6-6 लाख का पैकेज देने को तैयार है. गुजरात के कारोबारी ने दोनों को दिया नौकरी का ऑफर.
In a democratic country, every party has a right to present himself in front of the people. But I think in our country it's not like that. What I say about Indian media, whose rank is 161 out of 180 countries. And one of the reason is that the Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party is not able to reach the people of the country. That's why the Rahul Gandhi has started Bharat Jodo Yatra. BJP and Indian media is paying their 100% effort to tarnish the image of Rahul Gandhi.
राहुल गांधी की इमेज बहुत खराब कर दी गई है। मेरी समझ में वो एक समझदार व्यक्ति हैं। अब मैं कभी सोचता हूं कि राहुल गांधी अगर कभी अखबार देख लें, यूट्यूब देख लें, व्हाट्सएप देख लें या कोई भी सोशल मीडिया देखें और अपने बारे में ऐसी ऐसी चीजें देखें जो बेशक बना के बनाई गई हों, वीडियो काट के बनाई गई हों और छवि बर्बाद करने के लिए बनाई गई हों और रोज डिप्रेशन जैसी स्थितियां बनती होंगी।
राहुल गांधी के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
जीनियस बंदा है, मेहनती है। अच्छा, बात क्या है कि आप एक एजुकेटेड पर्सन को अगर आप मीडिया ट्रोलिंग से या एक सोशल मीडिया ट्रोलिंग से आप उसे कुछ साबित करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो गलत कर रहे हैं।
But the Rahul Gandhi, before this kind of criticism and agenda, present himself in a better form. Now let's know the reality of Rahul Gandhi, some memes.
ऐसी मशीन लगाऊंगा, इस साइड से आलू घुसेगा, उस साइड से सोना निकलेगा।
So this is the half reality. Let me show you, especially Andhbhakt.
40,000 करोड़ रुपए दूंगा, 1 रुपया नहीं दिया। कुछ महीने पहले यहां बाढ़ आई, 500 करोड़ रुपए दूंगा, 1 रुपया नहीं दिया। आलू के किसानों को कहा ऐसी मशीन लगाऊंगा, इस साइड से आलू घुसेगा, उस साइड से सोना निकलेगा। साइड से आलू डालो, उस साइड से सोना निकालो। इतना पैसा बनेगा, आपको पता नहीं होगा क्या करना है पैसे का। मेरे शब्द नहीं है, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के शब्द हैं।
This is the reality. Not only Indian media, some influencer cutting the clip and try to tarnish the image of Rahul Gandhi because they are paying the good money from where you can find himself. So at last, just I want to say, before criticizing anyone, know the reality behind it. Always focus that what is the reality fact, not become an Andhbhakt, become a nationalist. How will you become a nationalist? If you will watch the reality news, not by following the Modi media. So if you really got some knowledge from this video, then please give us one like and share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. So I will meet with you in another reality video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.